All right, the last page of the 3.x worksheet is simply a review of some of the concepts that you were doing in 3.1, 3.2, and 3.3, the last couple worksheets here. So, in number 4a, it just simply asks you to find the slope of the line passing through the points 5, 8, and 8, negative 2. So just remember, slope is change of y divided by change of x. So notice how I label one point x1, y1, x2, y2. So my slope, change in y. So I'm going to go negative 2 minus 8 over change in x, 8 minus 5. So I get negative 10 divided by 3. Well, that's just negative 10/3. There's my answer to A. Letter B, same process. Here's x1, y1, x2, y2. So my slope in this particular case is going to be 16 minus a negative 14 over negative 30 minus 20. So two minuses make a plus. So I get 30, negative 50 in the bottom. So this reduces to negative 3/5. All right, question or letter C now asks you to find the slope of the equation y equals 5. Well, hopefully many of you just already know that this is a horizontal line. So sometimes it helps if you just go plus 0x so that you know that the slope is equal to 0. On D, to find the slope, you just need to get y by itself first. So subtract the 5x. So that minus 3y equals 15 minus 5x. Divide by negative 3 each and every term. So y equals negative 5 plus 5/3 x. So in this case, my slope is equal to 5/3. All right, the last set of problems give you basically almost, well, actually, I shouldn't say that. I just know the last two have the kind of the same information here. So on the first one here, it says write an equation in point-slope form. So again, point-slope form, can't emphasize it enough. Know it, love it, make it your best friend. Y equals y1 plus b times x minus x1. So again, here's our b, here's our x1, y1. So y equals negative 5 minus 4 times x minus 2 would be our answer to the first one. The next one here, my slope is 0. So if my slope is 0, again, I know I'm going to have a horizontal line. If it helps, you can actually write it like this. Y equals negative 5 plus 0 times x minus 2. Well, when you distribute the 0, you'll get 0x minus 0. So this will all cross out, leaving you y equals negative 5. Question C says parallel to the line 5 minus 3x and passing through the point 2, negative 5. So again, here's my x1, y1. I just need to figure out my slope. Parallel, again, remember this, means same slope. Know it, love it, make that your best friend. So it has the exact same slope. So y is going to equal negative 5 minus 3 x minus 2. The last one on this page, sorry, whoops, jumped on me here, is perpendicular. Perpendicular, again, know this, love this, make it your best friend. Opposite reciprocal. All right, some don't know why, but it doesn't like my P's. All right, so my slope is normally negative 3, but if I take the opposite, I get 3. If I take the reciprocal, I'm flipping it and I get 1/3. So that's the slope that I want to use here. So that y equals -5 plus 1/3 x minus 2. And those are your answers for this side of the worksheet.